Let's try this. Three's a charm. So I received Happy Mail from Birdie P. I did open it already because I didn't want to show the addresses on the internet out of privacy. So, and I kind of dumped everything out here, so let's see what I have. It was a mystery box that I won. So I got this beautiful palette of eyeshadow. The colors are gorgeous. I think my granddaughter would love those. Sam's Custom Car Freshies. Maybe, maybe not. Ooh, it smells good. Look at that. It's a sample of Haiku. A sample of Black Suede. And these were in a little baggie, but because I had to restart, I just went ahead and opened the baggie and dumped them out because I was kind of struggling there. So, in a sample of Amari. It's my sister's favorite. And then I got another bag of yummy stuff. Oh, little Minion stickers. Yarn and needle set from Darn Good Yarn. A needle sizer, also from Darn Good Yarn. Adorable handmade earrings. More stickers. And I am going to give the needles to my mom because she can't knit anymore with long needles, so those will be perfect for her. Darn Good Yarn. Amigurumi. And I did get these a while back. I got them on the 9th, but I've been kind of busy. It's, you know, Mom had doctor's appointments and stuff, and so sometimes I struggle with my time. That's why I just do this station for fun, because it's kind of fun to open things. More stickers. But I need to get this videotaped and the box and stuff put away instead of just hanging out in my kitchen. Tassels. Sunglasses. Love is respect. Magnetic liquid liner. Eyelashes. Magnetic mink lashes. More lashes from Lashy Box. How fun is this? Pink clay mask from Mary Kay. There's one more item. And check this out. I have been looking for one of these, and I didn't know where to find one. And it's exactly the pattern and everything that I wanted. I was going to go up and see if I could find one up at the casino or run up to Lincoln City if I had a day. And check that out. It's got a card in here. I wonder if it has a policeman's wallet, but I don't care because it's exactly what I wanted. Because I just stick them in my back pocket and go, because a lot of times I just run to the store for like one item and I don't want to take my purse along. So thank you for watching, and you guys have a good day.